Yeah. Okay, I just want to make sure you guys talk about that. Like, how to know new model didn't see about the train. So just make sure you guys have, if you're walking together at the end.
I'm excited.
Kill it.
Gotta get hyped up. Oh, thank you. Oh, your hands are cold. That scared the shit out of me. Oh.
Bro.
Oh, I thought this was an actual lamp. I didn't think there was a person for a second.
Yeah, no.
I didn't think there was a person sitting here. I knew they turned on. I didn't know you were sitting there. I thought these were like... I didn't even see your body at all. Like, I literally thought it was like...
Just a random...
A lamp. I thought it was a lamp just sitting here. Honestly. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
It's pretty cold, bro.
Oh my god.
We will see nipples. We're not rushing?
No rushing. Take your time, but also be on me.
Alright. So step every beat?
Be on me, but don't rush it. Let them see you in all your glory.
She said, show them all your glory and said, eat my balls all freeze first.
Like, hopefully my dick doesn't shrivel all the way up. Then I got nothing to show. On my feet. We gotta go again? Let's go again. That was fun. I heard someone say, I know him from TikTok. I was like, oh shit. Yeah, I was like, how the fuck did they see me? Do these have audio on them?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, then you'll hear it later. They'll say, I know him from TikTok. You're gonna kill it. Huh? Oh, thank you, thank you. Of course I did, yeah.
Yeah. Final face.
Oh my god, hold up. I'm taking these off. I'm taking them off, bro. Whew. We're going barefoot. What's up?
Yeah, get the glass.
Oh yeah.
Ah, thank you. Okay.